All right, brother, I got me here a Class 11 race car. Well, it's in the process. But I wanted to bring it to you guys, so I did a single stage paint job on this car. It's actually Tractor Supply Magic farm and truck paint. So I was having some issues getting it polished up. So as you can see, it's hard to see in the video. The left side here is not been polished yet. And then I've gotten the right side polished. This fender's polished. So I just want to come to you guys and show you a little bit about it. This has no clear coat. It's just a single stage paint. What I found works best is to wet sand it. I use this Meguiar's 110 glaze with a blue Harbor Freight foam cutting pad. Then I moved to an Optimum Hyper Polish with a yellow Harbor Freight polishing pad. And this stuff comes out amazing. It has a better finish than my factory Chevy. So I just want to kind of give you guys a outlook on that, of how that comes out. If you want to see more on this, I'm going to be polishing this for the next couple days. Like, subscribe, comment, and we'll get you more. I do a lot of automotive work on the side. I'm building this. It's going to be a Class 11 race car for myself. So we're getting there. It's a slow process, but if you guys want to follow along for the process, if I get enough likes and subscribes, I will continue this process on this Class 11 race car. Thanks. See you later.